So long conversation, longer than the previous one. The previous one is short conversation between two speakers. This is the general strategies. So so similar with the previous one. The first one, please preview the answers. Yeah, preview the answer. Read the option in your screen if the test is online test. If it is the test is offline, so let you preview the answer in your booklet. Yeah. Okay, so what is the objective or the goal by previewing the answers? Hello, who knows? Who can explain to us, to respond to us? How? So what is the objective? Previewing the answers?
Maybe to eliminate the most impossible answer, ma'am.
The most impossible answers, yeah. So this is Stefano, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh yeah. Okay, preview by reading the answers in the option A, B, C, D. So what is the goal, the objective? Preview. Dengan membaca jawaban itu, maka goalnya apa sih? Apa yang kita harapkan itu? Tadi kata Stefano apa itu? To eliminating the impossible answers. It's okay. Ya. Any other reason? Teman-teman yang lain bisa melengkapi?
I think
Roderick.
Yes, ma'am. I think we preview the answer to get the general idea of what the question will be, ma'am.
Excellent. Yeah. Okay, to predict the question, yeah, the answer of the question, yeah, or the idea of the conversation, yeah. So it means by previewing, we can anticipate the topic, the idea, the content, the question. Yeah, excellent. Okay, all right. And then the second one, listen carefully to the first line. Well, for short conversation between two speakers, the strategy is please focus on the second line because the third person or narrator will ask about the second person or second line. In this strategy for long conversation is be careful with first line. Okay, guess please, why first line is very important? Hello? Could you give me the comment why the first line is important in listening for long conversation? Dear students, apa pentingnya? Wahyu Nur Hidayat, halo? Wahyu? Are you in? Habib Ali Muhsin. Habib? Teman-teman, Anda mendengar suaranya Bu Endang nggak sih ini?
Dengar, benar.
Oh iya, respon toh. Nanti saya tinggal tidur nih kayaknya. Ayo, Wahyu Nur Hidayat. Kenapa first line penting? Why the first? You should focus in the first line. Wahyu Nur Hidayat, Habib, Habib Ali Musin, Hafiz Muhammad. Yeah, we want to try. Yeah.
I think on the first line, we can determine what is the topic of the conversation, ma'am.
Conversation. Excellent. Yeah. The topic, yeah. Such as this example, yeah. Maybe the narrator start with this statement. The question number 31 until 35 is conversation between the doctor and patient, yeah. Tour guide and the tourist, yeah. Professor and student. Nah, seperti itu biasanya itu. Nanti kan kalau ada prolog seperti itu, Pak. So if it is conversation between professor and student, so maybe the discussion is about course, examination, requirement of the course, yeah, reference book that should be read, yeah, or reading assignment, for example. If it is the conversation is about or between the tour guide and tourist, maybe the topic is about the accommodation of the picnic, the tour, yeah, such as the facility of hotel, the beautiful scenery, the accommodation, and so on. Ya, the facility, seperti itu. Anda sudah bisa memprediksi, sehingga nanti cepat jawabannya. Okay, and then the third strategy, as you listen, think about who, where, when. So who are they? Tadi ya, and then where. So it is about the venue, when, the time, yeah. Okay, what, the activity, yeah. As you listen, follow along with the answer in your textbook or in your screen if it is online test, and try to determine the correct answers. Yeah. Guess, even if you are not sure. There is no penalty in TOEFL test. Yeah. Okay, but there are several strategy how to guess, yeah, to predict. Saya kira minggu yang lalu sudah dibahas bagaimana. Tentu saja jangan ngitung kancing baju ya. Okay, so there are several strategy how to guess, how to predict the answers, and then use your remaining time to look ahead at the next answers because the time is so rigid for this test. Careful. And total problem of this test is about 50 and divided into 3 parts. A, about short conversation between two speakers, B, long conversation, and then C, about monologue or mini talk or lecturing. Yeah. Okay. Before listening, anticipate the topic, anticipate the question by previewing tadi ya. Reading the answer. Reading the answers. So that is how to anticipate the topic and the question. So let's start with this example. The answer of number 1, option A, find work on campus. B, work in the employment office. C, help student find job. And then D, ask the woman question. Dear student, so the question start with what question word. Jadi ini kalau jawaban seperti ini, kira-kira pertanyaannya mulai dengan apa ini? Find work on campus, work in the employment office, help student find job, ask the woman question. Dear student, the question start with, pertanyaannya mesti mulai dengan apa ini?
I think it starts with what, Mas?
What, ya, okay, what, ya. Excellent, Randy Saputra. Option A, number 2, in the library. B, in a classroom. C, in a campus office. D, in an apartment. The person start with?
Where?
Where? Yeah, yes, Fadila. Where? Yeah. Okay. Number 3, not more than 10. At least 20. Not more than 20. Up to 10. Okay, the question start with
How much?
How much? How? Not more than 10. How many? Yeah. Or how often? Yeah. How? Yeah. How? Okay. Excellent. Daulika Sarah. Every morning, afternoon, and weekend. When is in class? Weekdays.
When?
Oh, when? Yes, Yoga. The answer is correct. So when? Okay. And then last number 5, fill out a form. Give her additional information. Tell her some news. Phone her. The question start with
What?
Yes. Muhammad siapa ini? Muhammad
Novel.
Noval. Yes, Noval. Yeah, so what? Okay. Well, dear students, so that is how to anticipate the question. So by reviewing, by reading the answer. Now let you anticipate the topic. Nah, dari setelah membaca semua ini, maka ini topik yang paling cocok apa ini? Ya? Oke, Bintang review lagi ya. Find work on campus, work in the employment office, help student find job. Ask the woman question. In the library, in a classroom, in a campus office, in an apartment. Not more than 10, at least 20, not more than 20, up to 10. Every morning, afternoon and weekend, when he is in class, weekdays. Fill out a form, give her additional information, tell her some news, phone her. Hello, dear students. That you conclude. So what is, after reading this answer, after previewing this answer, so what is the topic? Apa dong topiknya? Who want to try to answer? Let you raise hand, please. Halo. Topiknya apa kira-kira? Find work on campus. Oh, ini Evaldo Yudhistira. Yes.
I
juga.
think topic is college.
College.
Yes, ma'am.
Hahaha, college gitu. Tambah sedikit dong, jangan pelit. Apa? Find work on campus, work on the work in the employment office, help student find job, ask the woman question. In the library, in a classroom, in a campus office, in apartment, not more than 10, no more than 10, at least 20, not more than 20, up to 10. Every morning, afternoon, and weekend. When he is in class, weekdays, dan seterusnya. Sedikit lagi apa ya kira-kira? So what is the topic? Hello, other students? What is the topic? Apa kira-kira? Topik yang pas gitu apa kira-kira? Let me predict. Halo? Aji Mas Adam?
Yes, ma'am. Maybe the topic is finding a job, ma'am.
Excellent. Finding job ya. Oke, sedikit lagi tapi dilengkapi apa kira-kira ya. Not more than 10, at least 20, not more than 20, up to 10 in the morning. So that is the key point. Ya. Oke. Sedikit lagi apa? Finding a job is okay. In college, iya. Ya, terus apa? What kind of job gitu loh. Yeah, this is the key point, number 3 and also number 4. Ya, Fadilah Nugrahano.
I think it's an activity.
Iya, activity. Job. Apa kira-kira? Oke, ini ada yang Kusuma Freda Buwana.
I think it's the work hour and the work days for the jobs.
You think?
It's for the work hour and the work days.
Work in work days.
Work hour and work days.
Work hours in work days.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. work days. Maybe not in work days, yeah. So what is it about? Ya. Oke. Ada lagi yang mau mengekspresikan apa kira-kira? Ya. It is about part-time jobs gitu ya, part-time jobs. The student want to work in campus as a part-time jobs ya. Oke. Right. Itu intisarinya. So dear students, by previewing this answer, you can anticipate the question and also the topics. Let's continue. Okay. While listening, determine the topic, draw a conclusion about who, what, where, when, who is talking, when does the conversation probably take place, yeah, where does the conversation probably take place, and also what are they doing, yeah. Let's continue in the next. Misalnya ini. So this is the transcript of the conversation. Ya. Ini contohnya pendek saja. Why do you have so many books? I need them for my paper on George Washington. Do you know how I can check them out? Yes, you should go downstairs to the circulation desk and fill out of a card for each book. And then the question, yeah, from the narrator, who is probably talking to students? They are men and women. How do we know that they are students? Yeah, there are several keywords or vocabulary that support that they are to students. Yeah, okay, such as this. My paper, so it means his assignment, yeah. Sorry, her assignment. Yeah, okay. And then borrow so many books. Yeah, check the book out. Check them out. Check the book out. So it means, yeah, check them book out. Check out from the library. Yeah. Okay, so who is probably talking to student? Where are they? Teman-teman di sini nih nggak ada student, nggak ada. So you can conclude by using the vocabulary. Where are they? In a library. Ya, di sini pun juga nggak ada kata library, tetapi ada kata-kata specific vocabulary such as check the book out, check out, and then circulation desk. So desk in a library when student can borrow or return the book, yeah, they borrow, yeah, and fill out a card for each book. So this is a library card, yeah, kartu card member ya maksudnya itu, okay, member card, sorry, jadi apa kartu anggota, member card of library. So in a library, what course are they discussing? American history. Well, there is no vocabulary stated American history, but the statement said that she need the book for her paper on George Washington. So what course are they discussing? American history. So that is. So by drawing yeah, who, what, where, when, and so on. Okay, right. And then while listening, listen for answer in order. Ya sudah, biasanya itu pertanyaan itu dari awal, dari pertama, kedua, paragraf kedua dan seterusnya. Apa urut-urutannya itu demikian. Jadi, such as this example. This is the transcript for conversation. Can I help you? I'm interested in opening an account. Where we have several different types of account. Checking account, saving account, money market account, time deposit account. It's checking account that I'm interested in. I can help you with that. First, you have to fill out the form, and then I need to see some identification. That's all about it to do it. Yeah, all about to do it. Yeah, this is Miss Pliny. That sounds easy enough. Thanks for your help. And then the question read by the narrator. What type of account does the woman want? Which one the answers? Dear student. Anyelir? Halo Anyelir? How about the answers of number 1? What type of account does the woman want? Yeah. What type of account does the woman want? Yeah. ABCD? Option A ya. A checking account. Jadi ada di sini ya. What the second one? Aziz? Halo? Aziz Ramadan? Aziz, hello? Tidur ya? Azura?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yes, Azura. Try number 2.
The answer is C, ma'am. A piece of identification.
Yeah, what does the man need for her to show him? A piece of identification. Yes, Azura, your answer is correct. Excellent. So that is ini some identification. Jadi di sini selanjutnya so berurutan. So dear, that's all the strategy of long conversation. Jadi saya kira hampir sama dengan yang kemarin itu. Ya. Hanya apa itu? Focus on the first line and then this that is long conversation, ya. So let you previewing, be careful with the anticipating the topic, the question, and so on. Stop share dulu. Saya lanjut ke C sekarang. Part C is about monologue. So the speaker only one person. So this is the material. Bintang share screen lagi. Alright. Part C, ya, monologue. Well, dear student, so in this part consists of 3 talks. Talks, mini talks, monologue, ya. The speaker one person. Each talk is followed by a number of questions, 3, 4 or 5 questions, ya. This is short version of lectures from courses taught in American colleges and universities because this is a United States standard test, ya. Saya kira ini tes standarnya Amerika sehingga sering yang diangkat itu topik-topik kuliah di sana, misalnya membahas climate for example, ya, or natural disaster gitu ya. Pasti yang topiknya itu tornado, hurricane, gitu, earthquake, ya. Apalagi ya, ring of fire, ya. If it is about earthquake, biasanya itu seperti itu. Nah, kadang-kadang bukan lecturing juga, tetapi announcement, pengumuman atau apa gitu ya. Okay, and this is the general strategy. Actually, the strategy similar to long conversation, ya, to the previous one. Long conversation, ya, such as preview the answers, ya, for anticipating the topic and question. Listen carefully to the first line because first line is main idea or topic. As you listen, think about who, where, when, what. So try to drawing conclusion using the key vocabulary. And as you listen, follow along with the answer in your textbook or your screen and try to determine the correct answers. Yeah, complete all of the answers. Yeah, so by guessing maybe if you are not sure. Yeah, use your remaining time to look ahead to the next answers. Yes, as efficient as possible. Yeah, okay. For listening by anticipating the topic and questions. Nah, again, try to identify what's the question start with and then also anticipate the topic. Teman-teman, ini saya tunjuk saja sekarang. Coba. Halo, jangan tidur semua. Evaldo Yudhistira.
Yes,
Evaldo?
ma'am.
Ya, oke. So for number 1, kira-kira pertanyaannya apa ya? Option A, during a biology laboratory session. B, in biology study group. C, on the first day of class. D, just before the final exam.
The question is when.
When, Bu, because during, in, on, just, so concerned with time, ya. Okay.
Yes,
Number 2, just a minute. Dion Adi Santoso, halo? Dion? Yeah, okay. Number 2, Dion. Once a week, 2 times a week, 3 times a week for 15 hours. So the question start with?
A long time.
Sekali seminggu, 2 kali seminggu, 3 kali seminggu. 15 ya, 15 jam. Jadi pertanyaannya apa dong? Start dengan apa?
When?
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 Bukanlah. Apa?
How much?
Ya, how often?
Oh ya.
Ya, how often. Seberapa sering, seberapa ya gitu ya, how. Ya. Oke, number 3. Bentar. 3. Hakim Lumintang Astantio.
Yes,
Kim,
ma'am.
hello? Yeah. For number 3, to do the first laboratory assignment. B, to take the first exam. C, to study the laboratory manual. D, to read 1 chapter of the text.
I think what the goals,
What's the goal?
what to do.
What to do? Bisa juga how ya. What to do? Ya. What? Ya. Gitu ya. What? To do the first laboratory assignment. To take the first exam. To study. Kalau apa ini jawabannya kata kerja gitu, jawabannya dengan apa dong? Soalnya apa dong? Kalau noun biasanya pakai what dan gitu. Ini apa? To do. To do the first laboratory assignment. To take the first exam. To study the laboratory manual. To read 1 chapter of the text. Bisa juga apa tadi? How gitu ya, atau in what way gitu ya. Number 4. Just a minute. Gregorius Alexander. Hello, Gregorius.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you in? Yeah. Okay. Number 4. Room assignment, exam topic, reading assignment, the first lecture. So the question start with. Kalau jawabannya seperti itu apa ya? Pertanyaan mulai dengan apa dong? Room assignment, exam topic, reading assignment, the first lecture.
What? Maybe.
Excellent. Yes, Gregorius, your answer is correct because this is noun clause, noun cluster ya, noun group. Ini kelompok kata benda kan? Tugas kelas, topik-topik ujian, tugas membaca, kuliah pertama kan begitu ya. Jadi what? Okay, excellent. Number 5. Kesia. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, Kesia. So number 4, exam and lab work, reading and writing assignment, classroom participation and grade on examination, lecture and laboratory attendance. So the question start with
I think it start with what?
what? Excellent, Kesia. Ya. Ujian dan praktikum, tugas membaca dan menulis, ya. Partisipasi, kehadiran kelas dan nilai ujian, lecture and laboratory attendance, kehadiran di kuliah, di kelas, dan kehadiran praktikum. Nah, so teman-teman, ini kalau disimpulkan, so guess please, what is the topic? Siapa yang bisa menjawab? Raise your hand, please. Halo. Naufal Daniswara. Muhammad Naufal Daniswara.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what is the topic? After reading all of the options, start number 1 until number 5. During a biology laboratory session in biology study group on the first day of class, just before the final exam, once a week, 2 times a week, 3 times a week, for 15 hours, to do the first laboratory assignment, to take the first exam, to study the laboratory manual, to read 1 chapter of the text. Room assignment, exam topic, reading assignment, the first lecture, exam and lab work, reading and writing assignment, classroom participation and grade on examination, lecture and laboratory attendance. So the topic is?
I think it's about school activity.
Okay. School activity, more specific. More specific. I think the activity is okay. School activity. That is too general, terlalu umum itu. Kurang fokus, kurang spesifik. During biology, in biology study group. Yeah, okay. What course? Naufal. It is about
Biology.
biology, ya. Biology kelas gitu loh. Apa ya kira-kira? Blah blah blah. So it is about biology course or biology class gitu ya. Hello dear, how about the others? Who has an idea? What is the topic? Let you raise your hand. Ada yang bisa coba? Apa kira-kira? Terkait dengan kalau jadi ini apa ya? Terkait dengan kelas biologi nih. Apa kira-kira? Berarti apa? Biology class itu apa kira-kira? Ada yang mau coba jawab? Ada ya? Ini dia. The requirement of biology class. Jadi teman-teman yang ikut kelas biologi maka persyaratannya ada tugas baca, ada harus ikut lab, harus ikut kuliah, harus itu. So that is the evaluation on biology class. Jadi begitu teman-teman. So first let you review by reading, ya. So you can anticipate the topic and also the question. Okay, alright. And then anticipate the question. Saya kira tadi sudah dicoba ya. Okay. In your textbook or your screen, you read A for 3 weeks, B for 3 days, C for 3 months, D for 3 hours. Jadi nanti kalau diminta anticipate the question apa dong pertanyaannya? Kalau jawabannya seperti ini. Want to try? Ada yang bisa coba? Mubarak, Yunus Mubarak. Muhammad Yunus Mubarak.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So the question start with selama 3 minggu, 3 hari, 3 bulan, 3 jam. For 3 weeks, for 3 days, for 3 months, for 3 hours. Jadi pertanyaannya apa dong, Mubarak? Mulai dengan? Kan terkait dengan apa ini? Time kan? Misalnya apa?
Maybe
Berapa
how long?
lama, berapa sering, kan gitu ya?
How long, ma'am?
How long, ma'am? Iya, how long? Oke, ya, how long does something last? Excellent, your answer is correct. Jadi gitu ya. Alright, let us determine the topic while listening. Saudara mendengarkan audionya, the first sentence is generally the topic sentence. Biasanya kalimat pertama tadi kan kalimat topik. Seperti ini misalnya, this is the narrator ya, main voice. Ya. The major earthquake that occurred east of Los Angeles in 1971 is still affecting the economy of the area today. Kalimatnya seperti itu yang Anda dengarkan. Jadi nanti topiknya kira-kira apa? Ini maksudnya di paraphrase, dipendekkan menurut versimu. Jadi nanti yang dibahas tentang apa? So the content of the conversation is about apa dong?
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes. Javier, apa?
History, ma'am.
Ya, that is about history, ya. History of ini coba di paraphrase, dipendekkan saja, sederhanakan. Jadi nanti ini tentang apa? Kalau prolognya begini, kalimat pertamanya, the major earthquake that occurred east of Los Angeles in 1971 is still affecting the economy of the area today. Berarti yang dibahas nanti tentang apa?
Earthquake
Economic
in
The effect of apa? The topic is effect of
the earthquake.
Earthquake tadi ya. The effect of the 1971 earthquake on Los Angeles. Salah satunya pengaruhnya terhadap ekonomi ya. Oke, yes, Fadilah. So that is alright. Let's continue. Nah, drawing conclusion selanjutnya. What, who, where, when. Jadi saya kira masih sama seperti tadi. Okay, this is the transcript of the talks, yeah. The next stop on our tour of Atlanta will be the original home of Coca-Cola at 107 Marietta Street. Coca-Cola was manufactured at this location until early in September of 1888. The first question, who is probably talking?
The tour guide. No?
Fadila, Nugraha, ya.
I
Yeah,
think it's the tour guide.
The tour guide. How do you know that she is the tour guide?
Because she is explain the trip like a trip gitu.
Yeah, okay. She said that the next apa itu? Ya. The next apa itu? of the tour tadi ya is of Atlanta is will be in the original home of Coca-Cola or the base camp, home base of Coca-Cola ya in Atlanta. The next stop on our tour, so that is the specific word relating to the tour guide. So who is probably talking? Tour guide gitu ya. Okay. Yeah. And then where are they? Who knows? Where are they? Mereka itu lagi di mana? Javier?
On the way, maybe, ma'am.
Yeah, on the way. Or on the way, yeah, yeah, in Atlanta, yeah, on the way of the tour, yeah, okay, yeah, in Atlanta. When does the talk take place? Ini kapan ini? The next stop on our tour of Atlanta will be the original home of Coca-Cola at 107 Marietta Street. Coca-Cola was manufactured at this location until early in September of 1888. And then the question, when does the talk take place? When? Kapan dong? Hafiz? Kapan Hafiz? Nathanael? Yuan Putra Lazarus?
Yes, ma'am.
When does the talk take place?
Does the talk take place?
The next stop on our tour of Atlanta will be. Jadi, when does the talk take place? Kapan ya? Halu-halunya itu terjadi gitu. Kapan itu?
During the tour of Atlanta, I think, ma'am.
Halo? I beg your pardon, dear?
During the tour of Atlanta.
Yeah. So during the tour, in the middle of the tour, ya, during the tour. Excellent, your answer is correct. Ya, nggak spesifik disebutkan, tapi kan the next stop. Berarti kan tadi sampai sekarang itu masih tour kan? Ya, during the tour atau in the middle of the tour gitu ya. Excellent. Jadi gitu teman-teman. Nah, you can predict. Teman-teman bisa mengantisipasi sehingga ketika audionya diperdengarkan itu udah cepat ya. Still about while listening. Masih ketika mendengarkan audio ya. Listen for answer in order. Sama saja dengan long conversation ini ya. The differences is only the speaker, the narrator, only one person. This is the transcript, yeah. The Great Chicago Fire began on October the 8th, 1871, and according to the legend, began when a cow knocked over a lantern in Mrs. O'Leary barn. No matter how it began, it was a disastrous fire. The preceding summer had been exceedingly dry in Chicago area, and the extreme dryness accompanied by Chicago's infamous wind created an inferno that destroyed 18,000 buildings and killed more than 300 people before it was extinguished the following day. And then you hear from the recording, narrator, question number 1. According to the legend, where did the Great Chicago Fire began? Rudy Ade Bekasi. Halo Rudy. Rudy.